Hello everyone, do you remember this backdrop we made before? If you don't and interested to know the procedure, click here for the old tutorial. Back to this backdrop. Look at this flower garland. Do you feel there's too much greenery on the garland and not match our backdrop color? I'm considering how about we remove the green leaf and replace with the all flower. I think the color that come out will be much more match with the design. So on this tutorial, I will show you the effect. Replace with another garland, all flowers without any green leaf. Look, let's check the effect after we remove the greenery and replace with some pink, light pink, white color of flowers. Look, this is the effect. Okay, let's zoom in for the detail. Look, since I do not have enough pink, this color of flowers, so if we have more, we can make it larger and make this garland wider, larger. The come out will be much more pretty. Look, let's check the flowers. Okay, look. So compare with the flower garland and the flower arrangement with greenery. Which color, which design you like? Please comment to tell. Okay, this is today's video. If you want to know how to set up this backdrop, click here for the old tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.